Ready to plan your next sprint? Miro's intelligent widgets and collaborative tools will have you planning with ease and agility. Let's start by setting up our Miro board. For a more iterative approach, and to ensure we have everything we need, let's start this sprint on our Q1 planning board, where our planning documentation lives. We've set aside specific space for our sprints to keep things organized. Populate the board with essential widgets that will improve the planning session. In anticipation of a meaningful sprint planning, let's include people, story points, planner, and dependencies. To begin, we'll securely authorize our Jira account. Next, we'll choose our current project, and then select Sprint to keep the focus on this current sprint. This connection works bidirectionally, so any changes we make to these tickets will automatically sync to our Jira account, and vice versa. Miro has a similar connection to Azure if that's your team's tool of choice. Also, since we conducted prior sprints and retrospectives right here in our Q1 planning board, we can drag new action items from other parts of the board to the planner, saving us from switching among multiple tools or files. Gathering all of our potential tasks and action items to our planner is a great way to keep the focus on this sprint. And with Planner, we can view currently existing dependencies and add our own. Simply start the Dependencies app and connect issues, giving a comprehensive visual of every blocker, risk, or overlap, and allowing for a dynamic planning meeting. Now we're ready to determine capacity and prioritize what to include in our next sprint. With the Story Points widget, we can assign time estimates to tasks by simply dragging and dropping a number to its corresponding issue and instantly attach. This will automatically update the estimations field for the issue on the board while simultaneously updating within Jira. Notice that the load field will automatically update as cards with attached story points are moved within columns in the planner. With capacity determined, let's give unassigned tasks to individuals on the team. The People widget lets us assign responsibility by dragging and dropping a person's avatar onto their assigned card. Everyone at our meeting today is automatically listed in the widget, or others on the team can be searched for and pinned to the list. During our meeting, Clark wants to remember to connect with marketing as a next step. So we'll add a Notes and Next Steps frame allowing for spontaneous input and ensuring that all ideas are captured during the planning meeting. Look, Clark is adding his reminder there now and takes ownership by dragging and dropping his name from the People widget to the sticky. Now that we've fully prepared for our sprint, we are ready to sum up our meeting. But how much more time is that going to take? With Miro AI, virtually seconds. Generate a summary doc of your sprint plans by determining the section of the board you want to summarize and selecting the Miro AI icon. From there, we'll select Summary, and it's created instantaneously. After a quick review, we're ready to share our plan with stakeholders and continue iterating and improving our product right away. With that, our team planned quickly and collaboratively to prepare the end-to-end workflow needed for an agile and productive sprint.